says primary tests conducted on 3 people from China who are quarantined in Nairobi and Mombasa counties have turned out negative. The ministry, however, says more tests will be carried out in South Africa. 2 people with a high fever were quarantined at the Kenyatta National Hospital after landing at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport from China. Another female medical student from Southern Medical University of Guangzhou was also isolated at the Coast General Hospital. NTV's Kevin Mutai reports on efforts to control the spread of the virus that has so far killed 304 people.
According to the Mombasa County Communications Office, results from tests done by the government chemist on a patient suspected to have contracted the coronavirus turned out negative. The patient had been isolated at the Coast Provincial General Hospital and kept under strict observation. Only doctors and nurses assigned to her were allowed access to her ward. The patient is said to have started complaining of chest pains and headache and was rushed to the facility. Her blood samples were taken to Nairobi for evaluation, but health officials at the county are yet to comment on the matter. The patient is a medical student from China, where hundreds of people have been infected with the deadly virus. In Nairobi, 2 passengers who arrived in the country from China have also been quarantined at the Kenyatta National Hospital of a suspected infection with the coronavirus. More than 300 people have died since the outbreak. A majority of them are Chinese. The US, Australia, and an increasing number of other countries have barred the arrival of foreigners from China and are requiring their own citizens who have traveled from China to be quarantined. The situation has forced the national carrier Kenya Airways to temporarily suspend its flights to the Chinese city of Guangzhou following a public outcry. The airline is working with the Ministries of Health and Foreign Affairs in assessing the situation as the government appeals to Kenyans not to travel to the affected areas in China. In an effort to contain the deadly virus, Wuhan, the Chinese city of about 11 million people, has locked down thousands of foreigners, including African students. They are now trapped in the city where the virus was first detected. Reports have also indicated that at least more than 50 Kenyans are stuck in Wuhan as calls for their repatriation intensify. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.